Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another super easy crochet tutorial for you. I'm not sure how long you've been crocheting, but if you want a project that's very simple and will teach you a lot about a few different stitches like triple crochet or double crochet, this is the perfect project for you. So I'm going to be showing you how to make a heart in crochet, and it's super easy. So for starters, you take your yarn and you make a magic loop. If you don't know how to make a magic loop, I have a short on how to make it, and it's just filmed a little bit better, and it'll show you exactly how to do that. So after you make your magic loop here, you're going to want to move on to step 2, which is, now that you have your yarn on your hook, you are going to take your yarn into your working hand. Actually, let me figure out what side I want to do. Like so. Hold your work. Tighten this string if you need to. I kind of like to a little bit. Not too much. You want to be able to slide your hook back and forth really easily. And you're going to chain 3. 2 and 3. These are 3 chains. And now you're going to want to do 3 triple crochets. A triple crochet is a lot like a double crochet, except for it's another yarn over. So instead of yarning over once, you're going to yarn over twice. Insert your hook. The first stitch into the magic ring always gets me. Pull your yarn through. Now you have 4 loops on your hook, and you're going to take your yarn, pull through 2 loops, take your yarn, pull through 2 more loops, and then take your yarn and pull through another 2 loops. And we're going to do that 2 more times. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 2 loops, try to get a little closer, pull through another 2 loops, and pull through another 2 loops. All right, so we have 2 done. Get a bit more yarn. Okay, we have 2 done. It looks like that. So, and now we do it once more. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 2 loops, and another 2 loops. There you go. And as you can see, the heart is like forming kind of. And now step 3. For step 3, we're going to do 4 double crochets. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. That's 1. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 2 loops, 2 loops. That's 2. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 2 loops, pull through another 2 loops. Now we have 3 double crochets, and last one, yarn over, pull through, and pull through. All right, so this is what we have so far. All right, moving on to our next step. Next, we are going to chain 2, 4 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, all inside of that magic ring. For our next step, we're almost at the end, guys. You're going to do 3 triple crochets. So 1, 2, insert your hook, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1 last triple crochet. Okay, and I think we have one more final step. Now to finish her off, we're going to chain 3, 2, 3, and slip stitch into the ring. So insert your hook into the ring, grab the yarn, pull through this loop, and now we're going to tighten the inside. I love this part, it's so satisfying. Tighten the inner loop. Now we have a heart. How cute is that? Finish her off so she doesn't come undone. We will set down our tools, grab our scissors, and cut the excess yarn off. A little longer. Now we can take our loop and our cut string, which is, hold on, that one. And we lace it through to secure, moving our magic circle string out of the way. And now we can just secure this so it doesn't come undone. And now at this point you could weave in your ends, or if you want to hang it from something because it's super cute and pretty, you take these ends and you line them up, make sure they're flat. You can just knot them off like this. Tie them into a knot. And then cut this. Now you have a really cute heart. Bye-bye.